inside the pupa. What is she doing there? Be patient. Soon you will know. We just can't wait to see what happens. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar starts to change. It grows wings and long legs. After some days, the pupa cracks open and the butterfly comes out. Here comes a beautiful butterfly. Subhanallah, he creates such a wonderful animal like that. It's very beautiful. Then the butterfly flies around the garden with all butterflies and bees and ladybugs. They fly happily as they sing the song again. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away.
Five little butterflies resting at the door. One flew away, and then there were four. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. Four little butterflies sitting in a tree. One flew away, and then there were three. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. Three little butterflies looking at you. One flew away, and then there were two. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day.